Tired of wrestling with USB cables just to get your photos and files from your Android phone onto your Mac? First, let's explore cloud storage. Google Drive, Dropbox, or whenever. Pick your favorite on your Android. Open the app, tap the plus icon to upload. Then select all those photos, documents, or songs you want to move. The upload speed depends on your Wi-Fi, so be patient. Once everything's uploaded, jump over to your Mac, open the same cloud storage app, or go to the website in your browser and sign in. Now, simply download the files to your Mac. Next up, file transfer apps. AirDrop and Shred are excellent options. Download and install one on both your Android and your Mac. Open the app on both devices. Usually, the Android app will scan for your Mac, or you'll need to enter a code shown on your Mac into your Android. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect. Once connected, you can browse your Android files from your Mac and drag and drop them to transfer. These apps often offer faster transfer speeds than cloud storage. Before you start transferring, make sure both your Android and Mac are on the same, stable Wi-Fi network. A weak connection can cause interruptions. Also, double-check that the file transfer app has the necessary permissions on your Android, especially storage access. You can usually find this in your phone settings under apps and then permissions. If you're experiencing issues, try restarting both your Android and Mac. This often clears up temporary glitches. Now, go enjoy all that free time you'll have by not using cables.